Hey, what's up guys, this is IQ from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing unboxing of this Samsung SSD 980 NVMe M.2. The capacity is 500 GB and this one I have purchased via Flipkart, and in this video we will be doing the unboxing of this Samsung SSD 980 series, and also we will install in this laptop which is a HP Victus. So I'm showing you both the process. So in the first step I'm showing you the unboxing of this Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD 980 series, and then we will install into our laptop. So let's get started. So friends, when you purchase you will also see a packaging from Samsung like this. So this Samsung SSD 980 is 500 GB capacity, and I will show you from all sides of the box. So here it is also written Samsung SSD 980. So the most important things are written here, so you can check the model code. So this one is MZV8V500BW. So and the capacity I've already told you that this one has 500 GB of capacity. MRP is written is 8,999, but you can get at a price of 5,000 to 6,000 easily. The link for this is in video description, and the month and year of import you can check. This is June 2021, and this one is manufactured by Samsung China Semiconductor Corporation Limited, and country of origin is also China. And for any product related complaints or resistance you can directly contact with Samsung India Electronics Private Limited. Also this one has 5-year limited warranty, so which is very good. So friends, you can see there is a seal here, and it has written serial number and product number and model ID of this Samsung 980 SSD. So let's cut from here, and also make sure when you purchase this you will also see a seal like this. So let's open it. And also friend, I will install this SSD in HP Victus laptop, so you can also update your HP Victus laptop with this Samsung SSD. So here you can see some information. Remove this plastic. So friends, you can see this is the Samsung SSD, and this one is Samsung SSD 980 NVMe, and product informations are written here. And from the back side you can see Samsung SSD NVMe Express, and these are some ratings from various authorities, and this is written here product of China. Always friends, if you are buying SSD, always check this kind of port, as it comes in 2 different types, so make sure this is compatible with your laptop. So in the box we will see this SSD with this side, and inside you can see some booklet, and it has 5-year limited warranty from Samsung, and some informations and installation guide has been written here, and product information is also given in this booklet. So Samsung is also providing this software that is called Samsung Magician, and this software will provide you firmware update, rapid mode, secure erase, drive health, and TBW check. So you can also install this software for this 980 SSD, and other informations are written here, so you can also check this informations. So overall friends, let's install this in HP Victus laptop. So let's get started. So friends, now we will install this SSD into our HP Victus laptop. So I'm showing you the process. So first of all, we have to open the screws. So there are total 8 screws here, 1 2 3 4, and same here. So you have to open these screws. So let's open it. And also friend, you will need a screwdriver like this, and that is compatible with these screws. Let's open it. So friends, we have opened all the 8 Phillips screws from this HP Victus laptop. Now we have to remove this base enclosure, and for that you have to go from this side, from this front side you have to open from here, and then you have to remove all the locks of this base enclosure. So let's get started. So you can use this kind of tool, or if you have any other this kind of tool, you can also use that. It's very easy to remove this base enclosure, as you have to remove all these locks. So we have opened all the locks from this side, and now we will remove the locks from these 3 sides. Also friends, this laptop has 1 year warranty as well. You can also take this SSD to the any HP authorized service center where they can also help you to install this SSD. So I will not recommend if you have not done earlier this installing SSD. So you can also visit the service center as well. So friends, you can see we have now opened this base enclosure. So keep this aside. So you can see the motherboard and how this HP Victus look from inside. So here you can see 8 GB RAM. So it has come with 8 GB of RAM, but I have installed one more 8 GB, and you can see there are NVMe SSDs inbuilt inside this laptop. So this one comes with the Samsung SSD 512 GB. This one also comes with this kind of heatsink as well, so that's a very good part. And 2 fans are also inside this HP Victus laptop. So you can also check the assembly of this HP Victus laptop as well. Also friend, you can see there are a lot of dust inside here. So we will also clean this dust from this fan as well. So you can use any kind of brush here. I am using this, and simply you can clean like this. Sorry friends, this is the empty slot. Here is already Samsung SSD inside this NVMe slot. So open here. So friends, we will install the SSD. So you can see this is the Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD. So we will install into this laptop. So simply you have to insert like this. You can see the port here. If I show you, you can see. Simply insert like this. So SSD is now installed, and simply use this heatsink to lock it. So friends, SSD installation is complete. So friends, simply install this base enclosure inside this laptop. So you can see. Now friends, you have to install all these 4 Phillips screws into this base enclosure. So SSD installation is complete. So after putting the screws into this laptop, I will come back. So I will show you the speed of this Samsung NVMe SSD. So friends, now let's boot this HP Victus laptop and see. So friends, you can see I have booted my laptop. So friends, you can see we have installed the SSD into our laptop, but currently it is not showing here. So if I go to the task manager, and then we will go to performance, and then you can see there are 2 SSD already here. This 0 has already, this is inbuilt Samsung 512 GB SSD installed. So disk 1, this is the SSD which I have currently installed into this laptop. So you can see NVMe Samsung SSD 980 500 GB. So but currently it is not showing here. So first what you have to do, you have to come to control panel, and then you have to type the search bar disk part. So click on this disk part. So here you can see the unallocated disk 1 465.76 GB. So this one is 500 GB, but the available space is 465 GB. So what you have to do, so first of all you have to right click here, and you should click on this initialize disk. Click OK. So now the disk is online. You can see now it is showing online. So now you have to right click here, click on this new simple volume, and then click next. And how much space do you want? So I want the full space, and I will assign it D drive. You can also change the drive letter from here. And now you have to click on this next, click next, and finish. So you can see the drive is ready now. So I will close all this tab. So you can see this is the disk new volume D. So now we will move files, and let's check how much speed do we get. So let's move this folder. So I will check, I will show you how much space this folder have. So this one has 226.8 GB. So let's cut from here and paste into this drive. So you can see the speed which I am getting. More than 500 MB, and also you can see it has gone up to 1 GB per second as well. So I am currently moving data of 28 GB. Is, you can see 1.5 GB per second. So the data is moved. So friend, this is the speed of the Samsung SSD which I have shown you. You can very easily transfer data into this drive. So friends, I hope this video is useful. Also friend, if you want to buy this Samsung SSD 980, I will provide the link in description, from where you can also check it out. So friends, I hope this video is useful, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe MK Technical Hub channel, so that we can give you these kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.